we're still travelling to find the water, and we've come across one now. We're down at Adams Crossing, so Mel's done a few Ks. Area through here was a large area, a large floodplain zone in Adams Crossing. You probably see these large pylons down here. They were the pylons for a bridge in 1946, was it, Mallows?
That's correct.
And it was washed away, and this used to transverse from this point right across, but now we've put this bridge in. So yeah, you can just imagine the water levels and to come through here and wash all this away with those large pylons down through here. Right, we're going to give it a crack. Let's keep on going. I'm going to hit the surface all the way through here. Again, you know, the setup and running all the way through. Bit of fresh water. I think I might work this bridge and see what we've got around the shore area. Game on. So you've got these pylons. This is Adams Crossing. See them in the water here. Unbelievable. There they are. All over through here. I'm actually going to have a walk down through here and a bit of water movement down there. Not too bad for you bass fishermen and all that stuff there. Said I'm not a bass fisherman, so I don't know, but you tell me down here in the comments, what do you think? There's an open camping ground there. You can camp down through here. Apparently it's a pretty good nick, but we'll go down here. We'll give this little pond a go with the Sammy, and then we'll have that white water and that top water up there to see what's actually going on. Interesting times before the cyclone hits. Walking through here, I'm going to bomb this little area through here just to see if there's anything. You see the river rock and all that stuff through here. I'll head down here and see what's available. I've worked those pylons the other side, but nothing as yet, no hits. But again, I'm not a freshwater fisherman. Here, bit of a dead zone, something to expect. A bit of moving water, looking for some rocks and something I can go against. Just get a bit of action on the lure, a bit of excitement going through here. So again, we're coming through here. I don't know if you guys have been to Adams Crossing before. I fished the bass or the eastern cod. Maybe you have. Totally new experience for me. Yeah, but we're walking through here. Have a look at these big pylons. Interesting history around Australia if you actually get out beyond the bitumen. Beyond the bitumen. Seeing these structures here. Look at that, eh? 1946 must have been the big massive floods. Just chucking me through here. But I'm all scattered all around the place here. What lies in here? What do you think lies in here, team? Let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. See a few little baby fish in there, swimming against the currents. Unbelievable. There you go. Maybe trout. This would probably be good for trout. I don't know, guys. In the winter months. Oh. Certainly a nice location. Now, the boys are over today with a bit of a tow. This water's going really fast. Actually came here just for the scenery, actually. Yeah, no good for surface lures along through here. But look at that prime time down there. All these rapids. I feel like getting the kayak out and going down there. A little bit of a rapids. But certainly a good area for fishing if you're into this stuff there and you know what to do. Little fish in here again, and here comes this rain and this cyclone that we've been trying to avoid. It's coming up. Interesting. We explore down the river. Just see if we can get any in this pool down here. I'll see how far I can get down. There's barbed wire surrounding the properties, and it's a bit how you're going. And the storm's about to come. But we're giving it a go. Look at this, eh? Who was to think, you know, freshwater fisherman. I'm a salty, I'm having it a go. There's a definite art form to fishing freshwater, which I have to say I don't have. But when you're surrounded by the ambience of these areas and fishing remotely in these beautiful places of Australia, and this is the north coast of Australia, getting a kayak and going down here, or bait fishing or lure fishing, I understand the attraction of doing it. Basically back to basics. And studying the landfalls, the different insects, different lures. Unbelievable. Here are my friendly little Sammy, which I can't get down there because a bit far of a walk, and the water is moving very quickly. Lovely place. More the bridge from 1946. Coming down to here, a lot of stuff, a lot of history around Australia. You just stumble on it, don't you? Look at those rivets. Well, they're like the harbour bridge rivets, those ones. And those big ones all forged by hand all the way through there. Stand the test of time. All that. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Bridge. Hopefully no one will come and hit me. One of the very few places where you don't see a sign, don't fish off the bridge. Again. I like casting into those areas in through there was a bit of cover. There's nothing on this side of the embankment. Can't get down there, like perfect for kayak or small boat to come down. We might throw off here, cast down into that area down there and work our way back up against the flow with this Sammy, mimicking an injured insect. You never know. I doubt it, but you never know. Let's give it a go. Just working that Sammy against the current, well, I won't have any luck. But, you know, only try. But I've got the scenery, got no luck with an injured critter coming up the river against the flow, which is good, but we might call it quits, team. Adams Crossing. Check it out. When you're fishing at these places, there's always one person that gets their fishing line caught up in the overhead wire. But I reckon this is the all-time classic cast. Now look at this. Look at that. You see that bird up there? There's a sinker hanging off that. Now, that's a mean-looking cast. If you come to that bird, and about 20 metres before that bird, there's a sinker hanging there. That's one hell of an air cast, isn't it? So I don't know what they were thinking. They're chucking it up into there, but I think that's worthy of a gold award. Watching Mellows here. I might just look at this technique. He's doing a trick here. He's going for these pylons where the structure is. He's just working a surface lure through here, which is good. Working it slowly. We won't show you his face because he's a dentist. We're loading up through here now. And he's doing and it's going. Oh, and that's a view. I got that view. That's a 10 out of 10. I tell you what. If that was an Olympic event, there you would have got 10. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, no, that's right, exactly.